Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If your Fujifilm Instax 12 Mini camera is not working, then here is the solution. So in Reddit, some users have reported that try to gently put out the lens barrel when the camera is on. Sometimes it does not extend fully and the camera shows an error. So other than that, not much you can do except getting it replaced. Yes, it's pretty straight. And here is something you can try. Make sure you are using two of the same using alkaline batteries, not heavy body, and they are inserted into the camera correctly. Even if you think you have them in there correctly, check again. Check it, you can pull it back again, pull it out and insert it back again, and you can actually roll it a little bit to adjust it at its best place, and make sure that the battery have enough power to run the camera. Now everything I have read that EFD says the energy batteries, but it looks like these people had lack with Panasonic. Not that it should really matter. So you can actually replace it or change to another brand. Actually, this is a straightforward speech for you, I think. But if you have warranty, then you can actually swap it beyond the warranty. Now make sure the battery has fitting tight between the contacts. And also another thing is you can do is make sure that your camera is turned on and the film is and there's enough film to take the picture. And if there's any light blinking, then make sure that you have go to your nearest technician who can help you to fix your camera. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.